Alright folks, whatever you do, don't buy this phone. Cause it's so good, you'll never want anything else. This Honor X9b's display, a curved AMOLED dream, ultra bounce anti-drop. Dropping it is almost fun. 120 Hz refresh rate and 1200 nits brightness, insane. 5800 millimeters battery, 3 days without charging, no joke. Over 80% health retention even after 3 years? Wow. Magic OS 7.2 and Android 13 are buttery smooth. Plus, Snapdragon Gen 6 chip handles everything effortlessly. 50 MP, triple camera setup, capture every moment in stunning detail. AI, enhanced photography, perfect shots every time. In summary, the Honor X9b is a powerhouse in your pocket.